Tonight is the pre-party for Amphi. We are going to go. We already got, as you can see, our wristbands. So little fit check. I don't love this, but I didn't know what else to wear for a purse in this situation. Tim, come do fit check real quick. We're gonna go eat and then pre-party. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. It is technically day one of Amphi. It feels a little strange because last night was the pre-party, so I almost feel like this is day two, but this is the first day we're actually going to get to see bands and look at the merch, and the gates open at 10. The first band doesn't go on until noon, I think, but since the gates open at 10, I think we're trying to get there at 10. We have heard rumors that the merch booth for the Amphi merch itself gets a very long line at some point, so we want to get there early so we can get in line and at least get that part out of the way and then just wander around. I hope the other vendors are open. We've heard nothing about the vendors, so what's interesting is that they've announced what food is going to be there, obviously what bands are going to be there, what merch is going to be there, like meaning Amphi merch. They announced none of the vendors, so I'm really curious about that. I really want to see who's there. I mean, I'm always hoping to do a little bit of shopping, but we will see if that is something that's good. But let me show you the fit for day one. Here is the full fit with my little snake print fishnets. This is actually the exact outfit that I wore to Dark Force Fest this year, but it's so like comfy that I just wanted to wear it again. It's comfy, it's jingly. I like it. So Tim, fit check. We're doing sneakers for now. We might switch out them later, we'll see. Ooh, I love this shirt. And yes, the room is a mess, but let's go to Amphi day one. So we were warned that when you come here, you should probably get in the merch line first. And this year they had 2 merch lines, thank goodness, because the first one was like wrapped all the way around. This one was, what time is it? It took a half hour. So I got 2 things and both in the same design because it's the best one. I got this kitten, and then I got the same kitten in a big soft hoodie, and Tim actually got pretty much the same thing. So as a warning though, this came to, it came to 95 euros, which was 108 US for 2 items. So one nice thing about staying in a hotel that's very close to the festival is that we just brought all of our stuff back to the room, like the t-shirts we bought and things like that. And I'll show you what Tim got in a second. So hot. But I also did an outfit change because guess what? It's freaking hot. It is so hot that I was wearing one of those like one-piece dresses and the whole thing was drenched on the inside. But show the kids what you got. See, do a little spin. Ooh, who's a pretty princess? No, it looks so good.
So much cooler.
Where's it from? Queen of Darkness.
Queen of Darkness.
am very impressed that we have made it till the headliner. We're not doing any after parties, but we have made it to the headliner, and it's not a terrible spot. Here, I'll try to show you the view, not zoomed in. That is where Covenant will be, and we are standing with this trash can. Basically, when the bands switch over, there's like this mass exodus, and it's a little overwhelming. So we wanted to be in a spot where we could easily kind of escape, but Covenant is about to come on. B&B Nation had to cancel, so Covenant kindly signed on, and I am pretty damn happy. If I can't have B&B, I'm happy to have Covenant. So, trash can concert time. It's trash can concert time. Da-da-da.
Where's the calm is past? Where's the great one? Where do all dreams go in the night? All we can know the streets today.
Third and final day of Amphi, and I'm considering this to be a 3-day since we started on the pre-party day. We are both feeling it. We're both a little beat up, but today is going to be pretty damn great. First of all, the sun has gone behind the clouds. Holy crap. I swear it feels 15 degrees cooler. It is so nice. I hope it stays this way. And there's a breeze. In about an hour, the band, I'd say the one I've been looking forward to the most, which is Chrome, is going on. I'm so freaking excited. And then 2 bands after them, Solitary Experiments. And then, who's closing out the night? Which I think is arguably the band you're most excited to see, right? Red Sand. When I say I speak very rudimentary German, that's not even, I don't speak any German, okay? I've been taking lessons on Duolingo, but, I keep translating things when I see them online. And the band Vel Erdball, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, keeps coming up as World Earthball, and I don't know why, but it's cracking me up. So let's go into Amphi Day 3. By the way, pro tip, I understand that the goth community is made up of a bunch of night owls, but the gates have been open for almost an hour at this point, and this is what it looks like. So if you are coming here to shop or to get a really good spot for a first band or whatever, but just in general, if you want to shop at all, come right when they open. There is so much space, and it is so comfortable. And I'm not going to buy new rock boots because I don't want the extra weight in my luggage, but damn, I want them. So we're going back to the room for like a quick break before Rotterdam tonight, and also I'm really delirious. Can you guys tell me, do you also see a big peanut man, or is he a hallucination?